Hey, it's Jay from Jay's Tech and Tips back with another video. And in today's video, we have an unboxing. So let's get our unboxing knife. Got it right here. Trusty unboxing knife. I've had this knife for going on 14 years now. How long have I had this unboxing knife? It's still going strong. What we're going to be unboxing today is a Stanley. But not just any Stanley. It's a special Stanley. Let me show you. Have our paperwork here. Authenticity Stanley. And this Stanley is actually for my daughter. It's a Hello Kitty tumbler, 40 ounce. And this one's kind of nice. If you look at it, if you can see it right there, it also has a little place where you could write a letter if you're gifting this to someone. You can say, so it'll be like, to Jaylene from Daddy. See how nice that is? And this is good quality. It's not just a tumbler with some stickers on it, a sticker that says Stanley or stickers here. This is actually officially a Stanley Cup that comes from the factory from Stanley. And here's your straw that comes with the cup. And that's pretty much all that's in the box. I'm going to put this back in the box now because my daughter is a gift for her, so she's going to be able to one is enjoying this Stanley Cup, and she loves Hello Kitty. Well, hey guys, if this video comes across your page, I appreciate it if you give me a like and let me know what you think about the video. Let me what you think about the Stanley Cup, and let me know if you guys want to sub to the channel. Got lots of unboxings coming, lots of different things coming, and I really appreciate your help. If you guys can help me out and give me a sub, and if you're not, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.